Hi students, welcome to chemistry online classes. Now the sixth isomerism is tautomers. The phenomenon is called tautomerism. What is the tautomers first? They differ between two isomers that differ in the position of multiple bond. Generally multiple bond is double bond or triple bond, but double bond in respect to only we are discussing here. So they differ in the position of double bond and hydrogen. Double bond and hydrogen position is differ. That is called tautomers. But before that discussing about the tautomers, we have to learn the acidic hydrogen. Acidic hydrogen. What is the acidic hydrogen? You know that this is a aldehyde, here only I will. This is electron withdrawing group. See double bond group, or aldehyde group, ketone group, carboxylate group, ester. These are electron withdrawing. Nitro group. Already I little bit explained the aldehyde ketone chapter and alcohol also, carboxylic also. So due to this electron withdrawing nature, these all three hydrogens, 2 plus 1, 3 hydrogens are acidic. These 3 hydrogens are acidic. Why I separately wrote me here? To locate the which hydrogen is going to be changed here. Now this hydrogen is acidic. Not only this hydrogen, this 3. One hydrogen I am taking here. This will comes to here. This will comes to here. Then here this is CH2. This bond comes to here double bond and single bond. Now this bond move to here O minus. This minus and this is plus. Then totally bond form. Now hydrogen position at carbon is there. Now here at oxygen is there. Double bond is in between the carbon and oxygen. Now in between the carbon and carbon. That is the position of double bond and hydrogen position will be changed. So that is only called tautomer. That phenomenon is known as a tautomerism. So generally which hydrogen will be shifted? Acidic hydrogen. Okay. Now, but maximum cases, some cases are some different also that I will discuss now. Now, this is which one? Acetol here. In acetol here also this is which one? We are considering this part only keto form. Which one this is? Keto form. Aldehyde, but also only that C double bond what you call? Keto. This is ene. This part is which one? Double bond ene plus ol. What do you call this is? Enol. Ene plus ol, enol. Then which is major? Now these are interconvertible. Here equilibrium symbol is given. This is called resonance symbol. This is equilibrium symbol. Don't confuse with the resonance. Resonance separate, tautomer separate. Tautomer means equilibrium symbol will be there. Resonance means this symbol will be there. Clear this is? So that we have to identify. Now these are interconvertible. Already we know in equilibrium chapter, forward reaction, backward reaction takes place. It depends on which is measured. So you know that K equilibrium is equal to what is it? Product concentration by reactant concentration. When K equilibrium will be high, product concentration or reactant concentration? Mathematics apply now. Product. That's right. When like this come, our mathematics knowledge you have to apply. So product concentration is greater when this K equilibrium is greater. It means forward or backward reaction. Forward, because we want product more, then only K equilibrium will be more. So when this product is measured, it means how to identify it based on the K equilibrium value. When K equilibriums are they given. If not given, that's a simplified form. I will give one sentence here. Here keto group how much is it? 1. Here, but here 2. So 1, 1, 1 condition will be discussed. All are different examples. These are one set of conditions. This is second, this third. These are only maximum involved in our chemistry. Already we will discuss in the aldehyde ketone chapter in the second year. Once again. So now this is the major here. This is major. This is minor. Then based on which character we are deciding, because K equilibrium value not given. Because I also not remember the values now. Because so many values will be there for number of compound, all this. I can't remember. You will also not remember. Then how to identify? Carbon oxygen double bond. Because which one is changing here? This bond is changing. This bond, this bonds. Carbon oxygen bond, carbon carbon hydrogen bond. Here carbon carbon bond, carbon oxygen bond, oxygen hydrogen bond. So carbon carbon double bond strength more or carbon oxygen double bond strength more, strength in energy. How to decide? Larger size is there, it will distance more. Smaller size is there, distance less. Distance less means breaking difficult. Difficult means more energy. Oxygen smaller or carbon smaller? Carbon. Huh? You are making confusion to me. Left to right in periodic table. Size what happened? Carbon, nitrogen, oxygen. Then oxygen is smaller size. Now carbon carbon bond length greater or carbon oxygen bond length is greater? Carbon carbon bond length greater. Bond length greater means bond energy lower. So which bond energy is greater now? Carbon oxygen. Carbon oxygen, carbon carbon here. Here also is there, but single bond is there. So enol form bond energy greater or keto form bond energy greater? Keto form. So those who having here energy, it means we cannot break here because higher energy form. This is the major, this is the minor. Because we have to convert into this is in single bond. We have to break now. Then only convert to single bond. Therefore, converting into single bond is easier, difficult. Difficult. That's why difficult means not formed. Not formed it is unstable. Got the point? So keto form stable, eno form less stable when mono keto, one keto group present. So here also what we will get? Here both sides. This is what you call functional group. This is which one? Alpha carbon. This is a functional group. This is alpha. This is also alpha. Acidic alpha hydrogen. Both sides are present. Here one side present. This is not acidic alpha. Functional group total is aldehyde is total functional group. Next carbon is alpha. Here functional group. Next carbon alpha. Next carbon alpha. Here how many acidic alpha hydrogens are there total? 3 plus 3, 6 are there. Then which side we want to take the alpha hydrogen? Any one side. Both are equivalent. For example, if you want this side, then I want to add CH2 and H like this. Then this will be moved here, this will be moved here. Then we will get CH3, COH, double bond, CH2. Clear? Now also which is more stable? If it is here nearly 100%, nearly 100%, it is very least, not formed. It is here 99% is in here, nearly it is 1%. It means little bit may be formed. Now here also same, because mono keto, this is aldehyde, this is keto. Then here how many acidic alpha hydrogens are there? Find out alpha hydrogen first. Alpha. This is a functional group. Then how many acidic alpha hydrogens are there? 4. Any one side take, no problem. Then we will get here double bond because one hydrogen shifted to here, and this single bond, double bond is single. This enol form, this enol form, this enol form. Now which is major here? This keto form is major. Here also consider nearly 99%, here 1%. Now it means their stability is there. Percentage more stable, less stable. Now numbering should be, I am not going according to IUPAC, just to locate the double bond. O 1, 2, 3. So double bonds are double bond O present at which position? 1 and 3 position. That's what is called 1,3 diketone. Not IUPAC name this is. 1,3 diketone is not IUPAC name. Just locating the keto group where it is clear. 1,3 diketone. Clear? Then what we get here? Find out how many alpha carbons are there. Alpha carbon is the functional group next carbon. Functional group next carbon 3. Functional group next carbon next. Total how many alpha carbons are there? 3. How many alpha hydrogens are there? 3, 6 plus 2, 8. Now which is more acidic? Acidic means what is acidic nature? Now it still is acid. How we are deciding? proton donor acid based on the Bronsted theory, which is proton donor, that is acid. So we are calling here this acidic hydrogen is loss or not? It is loss, like this mean H is give the positive charge and this will give the negative charge, bond formation. So it is H plus loss. Here also H plus. These three loss equally. This is different. So which is easily lost H plus here? Ends or middle? Then how to decide? We are decided this is based on this electron withdrawing group. For this, how many electron withdrawing groups are there? For this, one. For this, then how many electron withdrawing groups are there? Two. Two withdraws mean more acidic nature. Got the point here? So these are how many alpha hydrogens here? Two. Anyone take no problem. For example, this hydrogen move here, this will be move here. Then what will get? OH. Double bond, O. Clear? Because this will be moved double bond here, this H will come here. Now, is keto form stable or enol form stable now? Got the point here? But we know the hydrogen bonding. Hydrogen bonding possible between the electronegative atom and hydrogen. Hydrogen bond always stabilize. So this is stable now. Chelate formation is generally stable. So this is more stable, this is less stable. Why it is more stable? Reason due to this hydrogen bond. Not a reason why it is stable. Now if it is nearly 76% mean this is nearly 24%. This is major, this is minor. Why it is major mean due to hydrogen bond. Due to hydrogen bond. Next, another factor. What is another factor here? Observe. It is monoketone, like this 1,3-diketone. How many ketone groups are there? Then what? Anywhere here alpha carbon is there? Functional group next carbons are which one? Alpha. Then here how many hydrogens are there at this alpha? Carbon valence will be satisfied 1 here. Then here how much? 1. So this is I want right here. 1 hydrogen here, 1 hydrogen. Actually they will not leave. For your understanding purpose I am writing here. Because in bond length notation we are not representing the hydrogen. So now this hydrogen break like this possible? Possible? Why it is not possible in here? Here we know that this is which bond? Double bond. So it has a double bond character. You may be studying the halo alkane. So like this. You may be studied this one, halo benzene. This bond is not break easily. Reason here sp2 carbon double bond character will be there. So this will become here, this will become like this. So resonance takes place, partial double bond character. Others simply say that vinylic bond this is. Which one this is? Vinylic bond. So not easily break down. So it is not lost as a H+. Then keto-enol cation is possible here? No. Then if not possible means, then another way we have to check. Here also is a hydrogen, how many are there? 2. This is called cross conjugation. Cross conjugation means double bond, single bond is there. It means conjugation means what is it? Alternate double bonds. Double bond, single bond, single bond. This is not conjugation. Double bond, single bond, double bond. This side is conjugation, this side conjugation. So two side conjugation, but not continuation. That is called cross conjugation. Continuation is there. That is called extended conjugation. So like this cross conjugation is present here. So now observe. This hydrogen will come here. This bond will come here. This bond will come here. Then what we are getting? Double bond, double bond. Already double bond is there. This is single bond. This is OH. Now what we got? Phenol. Phenol is aromatic or normal compound? Aromatic. Aromatic is more stable than the remaining compounds. Therefore, this is major or the left side is major. Right side is major. So this is also one of the property of this tautomers. What? So this is called space tautomerism. What do you call this is? Space tautomerism. It means from 1, 5, it means odd number required for this. Keep in mind. What is required here? Odd number. What What is the number here? Observe. 1, 2, 3. 3 atom, that position will be changed. Here also 1, 2, 3. Now here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 5 odd number or even number? Odd number. 1, 7 is an odd number. 1, 9 is an odd number. In this case is only this space diagonalism takes place, otherwise. What? So here we got which one? Aromatic one. Aromatic is more stable, then it is major. This is minor. So these cases only generally we are observing in the tatomism. Remaining in amines also like this possible, sir. I given here. You can understand these positions. Now here double bond is there. Now double bond came to here. Between one hydrogen came in. This should be CH2 and double bond will be here. This will be here. This hydrogen added here, then NH2. What you call this is imine. In somewhere I told you. Imine in oleochemical chapter. Imine. This is which one? Enamine. Enamine. En plus all enol. En plus amine. Enamine. Got the point? So like this also you can check here. This is amide. This is imidol. Imidol. This is amide. You can easily understand this tatoms. In amide, it means nitrogen contained compound also. Like this tatomism is possible. These are not that much frequently will ask. These are the general. They will ask in the competitive exam. With this, all constitutional isomers parts are completed. Then, in any molecules given for you, different molecules are given. So, which one we have to focus first? First, we have to focus on the ring chain. If any molecules are given, what you have to check in the first ring chain you have to check first. Second one, tacomers you have to check. Then what you have to check? Functional isomer you have to check. Next what you have to check? Metamers you have to check. Metamers. Next, positional. Here chain also total 6 actually, but here 5 only appearing. Because in the chain also is there. Okay? So like this you have to check. In this order if you check, then you will get a perfect answer. Okay? If any molecule is given for you, first check the molecular form the same or not. After that, what you have to check? Ring chain or not. Next tatomer or not. Next functional isomer or not. Next metamer or not. Next position. In this way, if you check, then you will get the complete idea. Simply which one is given, not given, randomly you are checking in, it may be giving the wrong answer. So in this way follow, then you will get the correct answer. Okay. Next, stereoisomers. This is stereoisomerism. Here connectivity will be same, keep in mind. In the structural or constitutional isomer, what is the different? Connectivity is different. Here connectivity is same, but atom or group differ in 3-dimensional space. That's why you have to note here. Molecular form are same, connectivity is same, but 3D element different. What are the, already given this again in the first one. What connectivity? The first one is molecular formula same equal. Molecular formula same. Second one is connectivity same. And third one is 3D arrangement of atoms or groups differ. And fourth one IUPAC name. IUPAC name same, but exceptions are. What is the exception? Except right. Prefixes. What are the prefixes? Cis, trans, EZ, syn, anti, RS, like this meso. Anyone will be given. These may be different, but IUPAC name same. The next fifth one is functional groups should be same. Like we are trying. Already I given once again because important for this is stereoisomerism. Yes, stereoisomerism. How many types? Two types. One is conformational, another is configurational. Conformational, configuration. What is a conformational? These are interconvert. These are interconvertible. Here tatom are also interconvertible, but they can separate. These cannot be separatable. When these cannot be separatable, these are not true isomers. Tatomers are true isomers. Configuration isomer do not interconvert. Do not interconvert. First point this is. When they are interconvert, due to interconversion, second point, therefore cannot separate. Cannot separate. When cannot separatable, therefore not true isomer. Fourth one, these are also called conformers. Also called conformers or rotamers. Rotamer means rotatable. Rotamers means rotatable. And fifth point, these conformers are in dynamic equilibrium. Here also tatomers are in equilibrium, but they can separate. What about equilibrium symbol? You know that they are dynamic in equilibrium. This part I will discuss later. Configuration isomer. First I will discuss about the conformational isomer, because conformational isomer present in the first year. In configuration isomer, geometrical is there. Again, it is how many types? Two types. GI, geometrical isomer, optical isomer. OI, optical isomer. Again, in this, what are there? Cis trans is there, or EZ is there, or syn anti is there. Here, what is there? Enantiomers, diastereomers. Here only we will discuss the RS nomenclature. Now, these conformers are again two types. Conformers are how many types? Conformers are two types. One is due to carbon-carbon single bond rotation. Due to carbon-carbon single bond rotation. Another is amine inversion. Another is imine inversion. This is, we are not discussing much, that's why we will discuss this first. Nitrogen, lone pair, hydrogen, ethyl group, methyl. All are different or not around the nitrogen? Different? Different means what do you call? Chiral. It is chiral but not optically active. Reason? These are immediately interconvertible. These are interconvertible. When it is interconvertible, we cannot separate it as a pure compound. Therefore, not optically active. Like enantiomers are there. Enantiomer meaning what is there? Individually separate, they are optically active. Together, racemic mixture. You don't know racemic mixture? Haloalkane chapter is there in there. Enantiomer, racemic mixture, meso compound. Other check in your second year textbook. Enantiomer means what is that? Mirror image to each other, but not superimposed. This is D component. This is L, dextro, levo. This separate optically active, this separate optically active. Together, if it is rotated right side plus 10 degree, when it rotates minus 10 degree, together 0. Then together 0 means what is called racemic mixture, 50%, 50%. That is called racemic mixture. Okay, so racemic mixture is optically inactive. Like this is also optically inactive. Reason, now its mirror image I will write here. Ethyl methyl. Left one control. The left one is mirror image of right one. Right one is mirror image of left one. But left one immediately go to right. Right immediately go to left. Fast converting. Then we cannot separate. Therefore, this is optically inactive. Not done here. Optically inactive. So optical isomer also here explanation is there. Again in Amin chapter again I will explain. That time I will detail I will explain this in second year part. So these are interconvertible. There is no single bond rotation. See now this finger is right side is there. Now like this, fast interconvert. Okay, this one. Carbon due to carbon single bond. See single bond only there. Carbon rotation. Now this is we will discuss that in the first year ethane staggered eclipsed form. Yes or no? That's what I will discuss now. Now I am discussing due to CC single bond rotation. Before discussion of this CC single bond rotation, you should know that some models representation. The first one is line wedge. These are models or molecular representation. Models are molecular representation. Line wedge or flying wedge. Okay. Otherwise it is called wedge dash also. All of same name only. This is I will discuss first. And second, this is one model or molecular representation. Second one is Sawhorse. Sawhorse one. Third one is Newman. Which one you knowing this? All don't know. First one don't know. Second one? Third one? First one also known, but that name you don't know. If I write this lecture, oh, this is one. See, first example I am taking here, ethane. Ethane molecular formula C2H6. This can be represented like this. Now, see, first formula I am writing, line wedge. In between carbon, what is there? One line is there. What do you mind? Now, this is one hydrogen. This is another hydrogen. This is wedge dash, wedge dash. This is dash form. This is wedge form. This is but name you don't know. Next, this is carbon bond. This is hydrogen. This is hydrogen. Now, this is hydrogen. This is hydrogen. This is also hydrogen. This is also hydrogen. Now tell which is eclipsed, which is staggered. You know what is eclipse first? Solar eclipse means what is it? They come in the same position, that angle is 0. In between this, I forgot hydrogen here, hydrogen. In between this angle how much? Don't tell 180. Don't tell 180. Now, like this is there. This is bond. Like this. So in between this, if you see from this direction, 0. Otherwise it comes like this. If I see, first finger only appear. Otherwise not appearing, exactly eclipse that is. What the point here? So these two are eclipse, these two are eclipse, these two are eclipse. It means angle is 0. Theta equal to 0 degree. Therefore it is called eclipse. Now